Today, y'all, I'm going to teach y'all how to make broccoli and cheese casserole. After watching this, you'll be making it like you're a professional chef. I am Jen's Kitchen, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks! So you're going to begin by adding the broccoli and cheese to a casserole dish. Now we're going to add a layer of cheese. Now let's crush up some Cheez-Its. And let's add those to the casserole. Put it into a 350-degree oven and bake for 45 minutes. Hey, if you like this video, make sure to check the description for this recipe card. This recipe card gives you on-demand access to this recipe, video, and the ingredients via a link in the description. Also, click one of these links to explore more recipe options. Thanks, y'all.